Okay, we are on our way for our mini moon. We just got married. We had such a good time. So, where are we going, baby?
Newport.
Newport, Rhode Island, to be clear. Someone had asked us if it was California, and I was like, I wish, but like, we can't drive there. We're going to spend the day, or the weekend, in Newport. We're going to do first today, like a little boat trip. It'll be really, really cute. Just like a relaxing time, 2 hours. Oh my god, look, there's so much traffic over there. We will be just kind of hanging out, exploring the town. Super cash, super fun. What are you doing? So this is where we're staying. We have like this really cute outdoor area. And this is the home. This nice little sitting area, which we will probably make the couch Nala's little bed. This is the bedroom area. Huge bed, super high, and a little fridge. They gave us a little waters, Pellegrino, a little writing desk area. Nala, come here. Not interested. And then the bathroom. Really big tub, which may have to try. Has a shower in it. Oh, one of those heater. I love these things that heat the towels. And then the toilet is over there. Just to show you a little bit what it looks like in here in the bathroom, they have this really nice little setup here where you can put your toothbrushes. They already give you Q-tips and all these little things. Looks like Lux soaps and shampoo and conditioner. This basket is so cute. Dead. And yeah, some cups. And the pig down there. Walking into town.
Should we see if she wants any more water?
Oh, so cute. You want this? The little woof, click on, click on.